guys, what's up? It's Queenie here. Welcome back to my channel. Thank you for clicking on this video. I am so giddy right now. Oh my gosh. Okay, as you can see from the title, this video is going to be all about my hair, my straight natural hair, my straight kinky straight wig. Okay, I guess that does make sense. My kinky straight wig. This hair looks and feels like my hair when it's straightened, so I'm so shocked. And would you believe me if I say this isn't glued down? This is not glued down. This is just plopped on and I'm out the door, okay? So this hair is from Hairvivi, and this is my first time trying the hair, but I've heard amazing things, so I was very, very excited. And honestly, you guys are in for a surprise. I'm gonna get right into this video and show you guys how I put this wig on my head in literally a few minutes, to the point where I was like, what else is there to do? So stay tuned, let's get right into this, and I will see you guys at the end of the video. Alright, hey guys, so this is the kinky straight hair. It is the Hairvivi wig. Some specs on it. It is 20 inches, 160 density, so she is thick. And the wig cap is a large size, and the fake scalp is light brown. So I'm just brushing back any hairs that might be getting in the way of the lace so I don't cut them off by accident. As you can see, it has the fake scalp going on underneath the wig, so you don't have to worry about doing all the whole bald cap situation. I have a wig cap on, but that's just for simple protection. I don't have to do anything fancy with it. And then there's a little bit, like an inch of lace in the front part of the wig. So I'm just gonna plop that on my head and see how it fits. It looks pretty good. The hairline is popping. It's plucked to perfection. It looks good already. So I'm gonna pull it back and start working on making it lay nicely on my face. So first thing I'm gonna do is cut off the lace. I like to cut in 3 parts. So as you can see, I'm cutting 2 slits. I usually start with the side pieces, but today for some reason, I decided to cut the front piece first. But then I go ahead and I cut the side. So it's pretty simple. I had to cut the rest off camera because I was confusing myself, but now you guys can see I have that little bit of lace there, and I'm going in with my lace tint in dark brown. It's the Ebon New York. And I'm just darkening this piece of lace just so it can blend more seamlessly into my skin, because you have to make sure it matches your skin perfectly. This lace is very transparent and very neutral, I guess, like in a way that it fits everybody, but you can see the difference between what I sprayed and what's not sprayed. So I just sprayed it a bit darker just so it can match my skin / my foundation, and you guys saw how perfectly it looked on my arm. Let's put it back on and see how it looks. Yes, do you guys see that? Invisible. The scalp is already perfect because of the fake scalp underneath, but that little 1 inch of lace, I like to play with that and make sure it matches my skin flawlessly. I'm just tightening the back of the wig so then I don't have to stick it down with any glue. So the way the wig is constructed, it fits really, really nicely, so I don't have to use any sort of adhesive to make sure it stays down. So as you can see, I'm just now fixing the part, making sure it's nice and straight and nice and smooth. You can go ahead and pluck it a little bit if you need to, or you can leave it as is. I think I plucked a tiny bit, and then I went ahead and I straightened it. So there's not much of a difference in the part. Just make sure it's straight and that it lines with the middle of your face. Straightening is obviously optional. If you want to do more of a blown out look and you want to do some braids and have a nice blowout braid out, you can leave it alone and just braid it and do that. But today I want it to look more straightened, kind of natural hair, so I'm gonna flat iron it and make sure it's nice and smooth, but it still has that nice kinky texture, so we're not taking anything away from the wig itself. It's gonna look still very, very natural. All right, so the next part, I actually lost the footage of me doing my edges and cutting the baby hairs and stuff, so I just quickly redid it for you guys to insert so you could see how I got from point A to B. I just literally cut the edges, used a little bit of gel as you saw and some mousse, and brushed it down with a brush. It's simple, and that's what you see me doing here. And now I'm laying it down with some wrap paper. So that's how I got my edges from non-existent to looking all smooth and stuff. So I didn't glue anything down. This is just what it looks like after I wrapped it with some paper, and my edges only have gel on them and a little bit of mousse. There is nothing holding down my lace at all, but yet you can barely see it. It's so, so, so good. Look, I'll lift it up for you guys. So you can see my edges are sticking to my skin a bit because of the gel, but the wig itself is not on my head at all. And as soon as I put it down, it just disappears again. It's amazing. So Yeah, this is basically it. That's all I did to get this hair to look like this. This is what the 20 inches look on me, and I'm still amazed by the lace. So I'm still pulling it up and looking at it and seeing how it blends right in. So let's get really close and I'll show you guys what's going on. So even up close, you can see the wig still looks flawless and everything looks pretty good. I don't like to glue down the sides or do the sides of my head just because there's so much hair on the sides. So that is basically it. It looks great. I am so obsessed with this wig. I hope you guys found that easy to follow. Honestly, there's not much to do. You can leave this hair alone and it'll look amazing right out of the box, as we have experienced together. So this was my first time wearing it, so I'm happy that it went well, and I'm happy you guys are able to see the process with me. All right, okay. Are you shocked or are you shocked? So like I said, this video is just me putting this on my head. They claimed that this wig was glueless and that you do not need glue to secure it to make it look good, and boy were they right, because I have never ever walked out of the house with a wig on that wasn't somewhat secured, at least without hairspray, like got to be spray or nothing. Like I have never ever had this flawlessness in a wig. So needless to say, this is so amazing, and you guys can see the texture of this hair is kinky straight, so it resembles straight natural hair. I saw somebody else, some other girls on YouTube wearing this, and I was like, I need to try this. I need this type of wig. So thanks to Hairvivi, they sent me this wig and I was able to try it and show you guys what it's like. So the nice thing about this is that for natural girls, it resembles our natural hair straightened without having to actually straighten your hair, and it also is easy for us to put on and off without damaging our edges. For any girl really, for girls who have hairlines that are pretty close, you do not have to glue this onto your edges and make it suffer under your wig. As I mentioned, this is my first time trying Hairvivi hair, and out of 10, I will actually give it a 10. I did not have any issues. I'm pretty sure I ordered a large wig size cap so that I had more room to pull it forward and to give my big head some space and to give my cornrow some space underneath, and it turned out perfect. All the details of the hair will be in the description box or on the screen so you guys can see all of that, but this is pretty self-explanatory. There's not much I need to say. This wig is bomb. This is fresh out the box. A little straightener, a little mousse, and a little gel for my edges, and that's it. And I barely had to straighten it because it came very nicely packaged. It wasn't all crinkled up and scrunched, so there were not any big dents in the hair either. I'm so happy about it. I don't even want to take it off right now. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out Hairvivi down below. If you've been wondering about their hair, this is confirmation that their kinky straight hair is actually glueless, and you can actually plop it on your head and get out the door in like 15 minutes without doing anything else. 10 out of 10. This is a 10 out of 10. When I say that, it's very rare. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for anything I post on Instagram so you can follow me right there. So we can connect there, we can be friends. I like to connect with you guys outside of YouTube because, you know, YouTube acts up sometimes and I don't actually get to see you guys on a daily basis. So connect with me on Instagram, follow me there. Make sure you thumbs up this video, subscribe, comment down below, let me know what you think. I'm so happy about this wig. If you've been interested in it, now you know. Check out Hairvivi down below. They're doing their Black Friday sales. They're doing their Black Friday sales right now, so make sure you head on to their website and check it out along with all the other things. So happy shopping, guys. I hope you enjoy this. Comment down below, like I said. Turn on the bell notification, and I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Bye.